Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first episode of Revenant Wristwatch. This is not the first watch that I've started working on. I have another watch. It was given to me by a family member. It's a pocket watch, an Elgin pocket watch from the late 1800s. I think 1893 to be exact. Um, I decided I wanted to start working on watches, and I put out a request to family and friends and was given a few watches to work on. And I started with that one, but I'm stuck waiting for a part. So while I wait on that part, I decided to work on this watch. This was given to me by my dad. He said, I think I have some watches in a drawer over here. So he, goes and pulls them out, and we find this Rolex Oyster Perpetual Day Date. Says down here, superlative chronometer officially certified. It's got a cyclops there over the date window, and it has a day window as well. It has a screw down crown here. You have to unscrew it, and it pops out to the first position, and you turn it, and nothing really happens. Turn it the other way, and nothing really happens. So pull it out to the first click, turn it. Okay, you turn this way, and the day of the week changes, and it does some weird thing over that date window as it rolls over. Don't know what that is. You turn it the other way, and I'm gonna guess, yeah, the date changes. Pull it out to the next, and you can set the time. There is no other setting. So we'll screw down the crown. Not a good sign for this being a real Rolex. My dad did say he bought it from a street vendor in New York City back in the early 2000s. It says Rolex on the back, 18 karat Rolex USA, number 2000. Uh, Geneva, Swiss made, some other markings there. I did try twisting this case back, but you can see there is no uh, this top part is connected to the bottom silver part. So I started looking, and I found this little divot here. That divot is for a case opening tool. I open it, and there we go. It's a battery. Sorry, Dad. It's not a real Rolex. It says here, made in China. Um, yeah, it's got a battery. I had a hint that this was not a real Rolex when I was removing the strap, which has the Rolex symbol there, and open it up, and it says stainless steel here, and I noticed this sticker that was folded over. That sticker says made in China. So, Dad, if you would like me to run your watch band through the ultrasonic cleaner and change out your battery with a 397. Oh, it's a Swiss made battery. Uh, so it is a Swiss movement. It's a Swiss battery movement. Um, if you would like me to change that out, I will, and I can run your watch band through the ultrasonic cleaner to clean it up a little bit, but it may just take whatever finish is on there off. Um, so sorry, Dad, your Oyster Perpetual that I hope you didn't pay more than $5 for. Um, if it still runs after the battery's changed, I guess will be worth $5. Thanks for watching.